Welcome back, people. We got another unboxing video for you guys here today in English. Haven't seen anybody on YouTube, so I am the first one to put this video out. We're going to have many videos of riding this scooter, testing out brakes and top speed and all that good stuff. You're going to find those on the channel. They're going to be coming very soon, so keep an eye out for those. If you are new, that's definitely a good reason to hit that subscribe button. The Kaabo Mantis 8 Pro Plus. Yeah, I'm interested in this one. Just before I got started, I got some scissors to open the box. Got to have that morning coffee, as I'm kind of addicted. But anyway, let's crack it open. Let's have a look. So because this is the Pro, I am guessing that we're going to get all the upgraded stuff. Oh wow, look at that. Box is kind of dirty. Yeah, we should have all the upgraded stuff, so that should be the EY finger throttle. I was going to say thumb throttle there. I had a lot of scooters on the channel with thumb throttles. Okay, so we also do gaming and all that kind of stuff as well, if you're interested. So to start off with, I see it straight away. So we got the upgraded version there. Oh, well, those buttons feel so good. I'm proper hyped for this one. I've waited a long time, and yeah. We have the EYE or I Mini Motors throttle Eco and obviously our Duo motor there. So starting off, let's have a look, see what we get here. So we've got a couple of stoppies. I'm pretty sure they go on the end of the wheels. Let's put those to one side. A pin charger, 2-pin charger. I'm guessing that's obviously going to have another part of the charger somewhere in the box. Our Kaabo, or is it Kaabo or Kaabo? Kaabo, yeah, one of those. We have the thing that we stick on the front there. And of course, we have our multi-tool, which is always good. You get these quite a lot with a lot of scooters now, but it's always good to have a spare, I guess. Can never have enough. And then in this white box here, we have the charger. So let's have a quick look at that. I haven't got the upgraded charger, the faster charger. Okay. Doesn't have a fan built in by the looks of it. Let's have a quick look here. Okay, so it's a 2 amp. You can get these in a higher ampage, which obviously does charge it faster, but I don't know. I might get it one day if I need to. Good old polystyrene foam. The other main concern is, does it have the upgraded pole? Because a lot of people have put in complaints about the pole, and it does. And it also has the free grip caliper brake. I don't know what you want to call that. Caliper, is that? No. Yeah, clamp. There you go. Yeah, it's got the upgraded clamp, so that's good. Okay, user manual. Always good to have. Not that I really ever read any of it, but let's put that to one side as well. Lift that up a little bit. Get this bit of foam out the way. We've got something else there. Got a piece of paper. Is that a delivery note or something? Let me see. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I brought this from a company called Fun Bikes. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, but the reason why I'm mentioning it is because I got this scooter a lot cheaper. It weren't a deal or anything like, well, it was on offer, but it wasn't like, because I'm a YouTuber, I got it at a better price. It was nothing to do with that. It was knocked off £500 of its original price, so that's quite a difference, and that's why I chose Fun Bikes. So far, so good. I gotta now try and lift this thing out of here. There we go. That wasn't too difficult. Alright, let me just check the bottom of the box. Okay, oh no, I just got foam everywhere. Alright, anyway. There we go. Where did it, okay, the Allen keys down there. I was wondering where I put them. Right, let's get this next piece of foam off. There we go. I have never, ever had a scooter this powerful. So, should be interesting. And I also got the upgraded version of the battery, which is a 24.5 amp hours. Let's put the stand on straight away. There we go. Wow, it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me feel the back tyre, nice and solid. Front tyre, definitely needs a bit of air in that front tyre. That's something that you should always check. Our multi-tool, but before that, so we're going to lift up this. This is the first time me doing this, so I don't know if I'm going to do it right. Okay, there you go. Lift it up, that slides down. So the basic ones, the standard ones that they used to sell, used to be two of these clips, and it was a cool. Wow, I thought that's cracked then. That did make me nervous. Yeah, there was two of those, whereas if now there's three, so because of that, it makes the upgraded stem pole that little bit more supported, and of course it also makes the vibration that little bit less, and so on, etc. So I'm not going to do these up really tight for now, just because I'm not riding it out on it at this precise second. I'm just building. But yeah, you can twist those, and then obviously they bend around. Wow, look at the handlebars. This is definitely a scooter that is, it's a bit of a beast. I've never had a scooter that wide down there. All right, so we got our clip here. That is, so it hooks into the back, so we're able to carry it, which we will try that, of course. But before we do, let's, oh, look at that, first try. Let's get our screw bolts out there. Now, some people have changed the head stem. Some people have changed the handlebars. Me, myself, I don't know yet, of course. I'm going to be making other videos of riding this thing, testing it at full speed, trying out its brakes, and maybe doing a bit of off-road. And yeah, I'm going to put this scooter through its paces, and all of those videos will be on the channel. And we do have a playlist of e-bikes and electric scooters that you could look through if you're looking for something specific. Alright, I am proper hyped up for this, if I'm honest. I've been waiting for this scooter for a long time. I've been wanting it for, I don't even know how long, very long. But obviously, because I have kids, I have to buy them things before myself. And yeah, sometimes obviously when I want to buy things, it takes me that little bit longer. Wow, that was really hard to pull off there, but anyway, we got it off. So the handlebars, again, I'm always used to dead straight handlebars, so having handlebars that are kind of like BMX style, I like that instantly, straight away. That's nice. Now, when you're putting on your handlebars, there's all different ways of how you can have it tilted. So do it to what suits you best. You don't have to do it how you see I do it, how the way I've got mine set. You don't have to do that, because certain people like the bars more forward, some like it more back. It all depends on what you're used to, or what kind of riding style you're going for. I don't think that's quite in there, is it? Is it? Oh no, okay, it is. So the bolts, I'm going to do them up evenly. So don't tighten one really tight. Obviously go through them. Some people do it as like a kind of like this way, then that way. I just do it. It doesn't really matter as long as they're kind of all roughly the same. So the handlebars, again, you can have them more that way, more back. For me, I think I think kind of like that. Again, I could always adjust it over time. If I don't like it positioned there, I can change it. But for now, that's looking good. I am going to tighten up all the other bolts on the scooter as well, because obviously it being delivered, you know, sometimes bolts do get a little bit loose where it's being shifted around and stuff, so it's probably a safety caution that everybody does that. And yeah, if you're going to buy one of these scooters, definitely look on Fun Bikes, because they are good. Funbikes.co.uk. They are obviously in the UK, which is good. The delivery for this, I ordered it on Friday, early hours in the morning, and it ended up turning up on a Wednesday. Is it today? Yeah, Wednesday. So not too bad, obviously taken in count of the weekend, and it probably would have turned up yesterday, but the reason why it didn't is because I forgot to give them my mobile number, and they take your mobile number so they can ring you just to make sure that you're going to be in. And the guy rang me. He was very polite. He was just rang me and said, you know, I'm about 15-20 minutes away, are you in? Is it okay to come now? And I was like, hell yeah. All right. So as I said, I don't really tighten them up in a specific way. I just kind of go through them, tighten them. I'm not going to tighten it madness, because you could end up de-threading it, or you could end up snapping off one of the bolts. I'm just going to do it tight enough. Just keep going through one by one until they all kind of feel the same. Sometimes when you tighten up one, the next one gets a little bit loose. You will notice that. Yeah, like that one was. This one was quite tight, this one. A little bit there. This one, a little tiny bit. Oh, hold on. Can we get the Allen key in? There we go. A little bit on that one. A little bit on there. Now I'm going to try and twist it forward. See if it moves. No, okay, so that's good. Right, so we're basically done. That's the building side of it. Let's see if it has any power. It should have power. Hey, look at that. Yeah, why does that say 48? Did they test ride this first? Mode. Okay, time. Trip. Okay, maybe they might have given it a little test, possibly. So if we press that white button, it takes us into different modes. So you've got mode 1, 2 and 3. Again, I've never used this before, so I've got to get used to it. And of course, I am for the, I want that in miles per hour because it is in kilometers per hour. But wow, that screen's really bright. The brakes, oh what? Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, wow. That is really bright. That's me pulling the brake. Okay, nice. No horn, I don't think. No horn. Okay, indicators. Yeah. Okay, let's turn that one off. Other indicator. Yep. And then if we push them both, so that one's already on, push the other one, and they should blink together. Hazard lights. That's beautiful. Okay, and then let's turn the actual light on. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love it. I already love this thing. The smile on my face right now, I'm like a little kid back in that sweet shop. I'm gonna stand on it real quick. Oh wow, plenty of feet room. And I'm size 9. And I thought, you know, my foot's gonna go up on this back plate here, but it doesn't. That's my feet spread out. And it doesn't. Of course I will put my foot back up on that back plate, because that'd probably be more of a comfortable way to ride. But wow, look how beautiful this thing looks, man. I can't believe it. And the first thing I'm going to do is charge this bad boy. All right, let's come down, take this off. It'll give us that little bit more light. I cannot wait to get this thing on the road. So it's got obviously the hydraulic brakes, which is good. And I've seen, as I said, I've seen a lot of these on YouTube as the Mantis Pro 8, but I've never seen a Mantis Pro 8 Plus. So that's specifically why I went for this one, because it's content that I can put there that other people haven't put there. But the main reason, more than anything else, I think it was because it's a little bit lighter than the other scooters, and I do have to take this up and down stairs sometimes. So because of that reason, that's why I went for the 8 rather than the 10, because the 10 definitely costs an insane amount more. and it's also a lot more heavier. Well, I wouldn't say it costs an insane amount more, but it's yeah, it's definitely heavier. And of course they do have the 10-inch wheels, whereas if these have the 8-inch wheels. But then I kind of like riding on small wheels, I always have done. So, but as you can see there, it says Kaabo Mantis 8 Pro Plus Black. I cannot believe how beautiful this thing lights up. Would you look at that? Oh my gosh. It is absolutely great, isn't it? Oh wow. Wow. I don't even know. Let me get my my weights so we can sit it on there real quick. Just so that way we can quickly power it, so we can see there is some powers going through the wheel. That should be high enough. Okay, there we go. All right, let's move the charger out of the way because we don't want to wheel spin on that. All right, let's go. Let's try. Oh wow, it's in duo mode already. Okay, Eco Turbo, single duo. Okay, so let's go to single. Is that just the back? Yeah, okay, that's the back. All right, let's see. Now it only has 52% battery, and that's 21 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's change over. Doesn't actually say if I'm in turbo or not, which is a little bit of a pain, but that's not. I didn't change the speed, did I? It's on speed 1, that's why. I was thinking, hold on a minute, this is kind of slow. Right, speed setting 3. On single motor. Oh, that sounds beautiful. 32.3 kilometers per hour. I really like that trigger like that. First time I've ever had it. Okay, and then let's see. There you go, that's in duo. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that's 32.3 as well, again. That is on 50% battery, that's not bad. Well, 53, but it drops down. I quite prefer to see the picture of the battery and it actually say the percentage. That's really, really good. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video of this awesome Kaabo Mantis 8 Pro Plus. More coming very, very soon. If you've got any comments, do leave it in the comment section below, and of course I will try and get back to you as quick as I can. This little clip here, when it folds down, it clips into this part just here. But yeah, we're going to make plenty of videos on this one, so stay tuned. We catch you people again soon with some more fun and games. I am out. Oh, that's better. There we go. That's how fast it should be going. That's a lot better. There you go. 40 miles, 40.3 miles an hour.